Okay, I'm gonna take everyone on a tour of our brand new vintage 1978 Terry trailer. We think it's about 22 feet long. We got it on Facebook Marketplace for $500 and it needs some love. Okay, so this is the entrance. You can see the floor needs to be replaced right here, which is fine. I think it's gonna be easy. We're just gonna cut out this whole section right here, replace the floor. You can see other than that, it's in, we think it's just been sitting and, you know, it's just got regular wear and tear on it. We'll obviously be painting and replacing a lot of the cushions and everything. The bathroom will need some work on the floor as well, and maybe some of the ceiling in there. But again, everything is in pretty good condition. You can see we'll need to get a new fridge that goes here, and this is a bed, so this folds out to a bed, and then it's also a seating area. Windows, single pane, but still pretty good condition. This shelf actually goes up here. We took it down because we are replacing the whole ceiling. There are a couple of leaks in it, so we are going to patch those up and get them in good condition. Over here is the kitchen. We'll be replacing the countertops most likely. The sink's in pretty good condition, so we'll probably be keeping that. There's upper cabinets. The stove and oven are also in really great condition, definitely usable. We do have all the faces for the cabinets, and we will be refacing them and painting. Probably just make everything white. Then back here is where the seating area is. It's a larger seating area where there are cushions that go on each side, and then the long table that comes out. We will probably leave the option to have both the seating area and the big bed out here, but most likely we'll be using it as just a huge bed back there, making it really comfortable and easy to hang out in. We also have a 4-year-old toddler, so we will be keeping this bunk area as a bed for him. It pulls out right here. You can kind of see the rails here. It pulls all the way out and then turns into kind of, I think, a full-size bed. So we will be keeping that and kind of, you know, pimping that out, making it look really cool for him, and, you know, getting him excited to want to sleep in it and hang out in it. Other than that, we've got some pretty nice skylights up in here, which we'll probably be keeping. You can see there's a couple drips that came down. Creating some new storage, just, you know, really making it look nice and fun to go adventure in. So yeah. And I just wanted to say the original plan why we decided to get the trailer is because we wanted to be able to travel around and use our icon passes this winter. So we're hoping to get the trailer up and going in 30-ish days. I know it's a big project, but we think that we can get it at least, you know, livable, maybe not perfect, in 30 days so we can start driving around. We are located in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we think there's tons of places nearby that we can drive to and use our icon passes. So we'll also be probably creating a lot of storage for ski gear, and we have 2 dogs that will be coming with us, and our 4-year-old obviously. And in the summer we're going to be, you know, making an attachment for our motorcycles and our mountain bikes, and we are just really excited to start this adventure.